Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to inaugurate the new campus of Dr B.R. Ambedkar School of Economics University in Bengaluru on December 6th. The Economics University has recently been constructed on the Jnanabharathi campus of Bengaluru University. Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai chaired a meeting on Wednesday and reviewed the preparations for the inauguration program. Ministers V Somanna, C. Ashwathnarayan, Muniratna and senior officials Kumar Naik, Gaurav Gupta, Selvakumar and Chancellor of the University Dr Bhanumurthy were also part of the review meeting.